In this video, we're gonna learn how to make our open hips, how to make our core muscle strength and the arm strength.
Okay, we have many techniques and we have many things to do, but remember, your body is your foundation. Don't push yourself and don't force yourself at all anytime. So step by step you can improve your flexibility, you can improve your knowledge with our channel. So let's practice, and we're gonna do very basic but very effective. So if you want to have something strength on your core muscles and the arm strength, so this is a recommended technique. So before you start the technique, you need to just warm up a little bit. You can twist a little bit, yes, and you're gonna start the technique. You might feel the cracks in your spine. The sounds will be okay. So just a little bit basic warm up before we begin the technique. You can stretch a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start the technique with the step by step. So go with the plank pose. So if you are thinking that your plank is correct or not, you can just go to the mountain. You put your heels on the floor and lift your heels up and move your pelvic down. So in case if you are very long leg or the long hand, so you can adjust your spine and go back to the mountain again. Okay, once you are here already, the technique number one is very good to lift the step your one foot out, right hand on your right knee, and move your pelvic down and push your knee out. Yeah, just like that, and look up to the sky. This is all techniques for beginners, for intermediate and advanced. Everyone can get the benefit, but you listen to your body now and then go back and step your left leg out of the left hand. We do the same technique with the different leg. Stretch, look up. Yes, we just try. Okay, you can do this technique like maybe 10 times, 5 times each leg. So one leg 5 times, the another leg is 5 times. And when you step back and then step forward, remember you need to contract your core muscle and do very slow with mindfulness, because if you are doing just like step very quick and have a sound, that's not recommended. You have to contract the core muscle and then slowly step out. Yeah, all right, once you have done this technique, next technique we're gonna move on. Okay, the technique is the same, just we add on some techniques in addition. Okay, now we need to contract the core muscle and lift the behind leg to the front. Catch the toes and stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Okay, palm on the same left leg back. Go to the mountain, we switch the leg, and the technique, first technique is the same, and then add on the behind leg will be go front. So step, move forward, catch the toes and lift the leg up. Stretch your hamstring as well. In case if you cannot do this technique, don't worry, we just do step by step. We just try our best. All right, next we move on. Knee down. And in this technique number 3, we're gonna push up. So knee down and slowly elbow down, only the halfway, 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%, and come up. Okay, first we just try 10. If you're a beginner, 10, 20% is fine, and come up. Remember, your elbows not go out, elbows always beside the body. If you have a strength, then you can go slowly, very down, and slowly come up. Remember, in case if you have wrist pain, you can grab your fist, both fists you can grab, and your thumb will be supportive, and then slowly go down. Yes, as slow you will practice, that much you will have more benefit. You can adjust your body. You can adjust, you can a little bit far or a little bit closer, so it will be okay. Just try your best, don't force yourself. And we can do this technique only 3 to 5 times. keep breath normal all the time. We go down, and if you go down slowly but you cannot lift your body up, in this case you can move your pelvic down and then come on your elbows, lift the pelvic up, come on your hand, and then do the same. This is very good for beginners who don't have arm strength at all and you want to have the arm balance or arm strength. This technique can help you. Just try slowly. Yeah, because as slow you will practice, that much you will have benefit. Okay, so this is for beginners. Once you have done, now we're gonna stretch the arms. So come back to the child pose, balasana. Come on your fingertips, lengthen your spine, head down, relax a little bit. So this is like very basic but very effective, some techniques that we always do with our practice time, and before we do the asana we need to proper warm up, and this all proper warm up, I hope you have sweat already, and if you will do step by step, you can go to the next video right now. Over here the link, you can see this is a class that can help for the beginners. Okay, in case if you are not a beginner, then this class can help you to improve your arm strength as well. So there are many knowledge in the YouTube, many different channels, but what is the different in my channel? I just try to give all the technique from the very basic, from the very beginners to advanced, all levels. And I always follow the traditional yoga, original yoga, because I love yoga. If I love yoga, if you love yoga, it means we are the family, and then it's my responsibility to sharing with all of you guys the accurate knowledge, the correct knowledge. Accurate knowledge of yoga never hurt the people. We should not have any kind of injury in the body. We should learn how we can improve our health, how we can improve our understanding. Asana, pranayama, meditation, they all is not a technique. This is, we call the lifestyle. Nakap? Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy, please give me thumbs up and give me some comment, and I will be happy to see all of your comments. Namaste and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye everyone.